Yeah, no. If anyone dies, Jimmy, you're gonna land on top of me.
Jimmy dies, it's gonna be you.
Just jump through the tree.
If you jumped over that tree, that'd be awesome.
No, just into it.
No, that'd be even better. I don't think you will.
Dude, there's no way that either one of us can both jump over it.
Yeah. No, you. Let's see if I can
Gotta
jump
pull
from
my
this area.
shit out.
That's gonna be hard jumping from up.
I know.
Ouch. Wait. If I jump from there.
I'll just make sure they're all watching. They want us to jump. They always wait till I pass.
Are we gonna go?
I'm gonna wait till I get past this because they want us to go.
What is it?
You can jump. And then,
Dude, you can jump down here.
yeah, the Admiral jump right over.
No.
Can you jump out that way?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is that a bad idea?
It's not cool because they're somewhere up there. You better jump over that way.
So do you want to switch?
Alright.
Oh my god.
Because Adam's afraid to tire.
I'm not afraid.
I might as well kill me.
Am I jumping? Am I jumping straight?
Oh my god, you getting this?
Yeah.
Ashley, you ready?
Yeah.
Count to
Ready?
three. Don't count to three.
1, 2, 3.
Holy shit. I would hit you. You're like holding fucking hands. Oh, cold spot, cold spot.
Oh yeah. Take another picture.
Yo,
I did.
your air tank underneath the water.
What?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You hear that noise? You go to the water and listen. Dude, it's probably the oat. What the fuck is that?
Where is it?
Wait, what is it? It's a shark!